This is the first run of the They Love voice assistant built by Voice First AI. You launch it by saying her name, launch They Love.
Alexa, launch They Love.
Welcome to They Love. We help brands develop a unique personality. Would you like to hear how we create a unique personality? Or would you like to meet the team?
I'd like to hear how they do it.
We help brands develop a unique personality by creating conscious visual branding. We specialize in creative content. You can say, meet the team, to get introduced with the founders.
Meet the team.
They Love was founded by Khalil and Kahan. They are both Columbus, Ohio natives with a passion for helping brands develop a unique personality. You can learn more by saying, meet Khalil or meet Kahan. How can I help you?
Meet Khalil.
Khalil is the COO of They Love. His background is in animation and high-energy creativity. You can reach Khalil on Instagram and Twitter at They Love Khalil. How can I help you?
Who's Kahan?
I am the Metro Data Voice Assistant. You can ask me a question about
Kahan.
Dublin Core Metro Data
Say
Center.
her name.
Meet Kahan.
Kahan is the CEO of They Love. His background is in conscious creativity and strategic planning. You can reach Kahan on Instagram and Twitter at They Love Kahan. How can I help you?
Goodbye.